If you have an Avalanche, you probably already know about this, but if you don't, here's something cool. An Avalanche is kind of like a truck, kind of like an SUV combined. It's got a little bed. If you open it up, it's a little bit more than 5 feet deep, which you can fit some stuff in, but if you have anything significant, it's not enough. And the back seat is really roomy, even for an adult. When they designed this truck, they thought of something really cool. If you flip up the seats and slide these down, do the same on that side. Then you can take this window out, flip these down. This window slides right out. You can slide it in position right here. This truck, you're supposed to have little turning knobs here that hold that window in place. This truck doesn't have those. And then this flips down, and look at all that room. That's pretty impressive. You have 8 feet, well, a little more than 8 feet, just from the tailgate, just up to the back seats. So you can fit some serious stuff in there. So it basically converts to a truck. The huge disadvantage is while you're driving, this all has to be open. I mean, you can close the tailgate, but that back window, it's all gonna be open. And that might be kind of a pain if it's raining or if it's snowing or you have to drive on the highway. The other thing, at night, you're gonna have to close this up, or if you go into a store and you have valuables in here, it's not gonna be locked up. Either way, the Avalanche is a pretty cool vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.